आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
Felicitating the students who have come on top of their respective schools and the state, both in 10th as well as 12th. And what we are doing as State Bank of India, being a corporate citizen, we always, every year, we take this privilege and opportunity to invite people to our bank, so that by honoring you, we get ourselves honored.
भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे ब्रीद वाक्य असा आरोग्य अन्न वस्त्र आणि निवारा आणि त्यामुळे आरोग्याच्या दृष्टीने भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार नवनवे कार्यक्रम नवनवे योजना
कलेक्टर ऑर्डर पास केला म्हणजे तुमकां बसी रावपा जायना म्हणजे रावपा मेळना म्हणजे पायचे टाइम जालो मिद्या म्हणटा तूं यो पयलो सदी साहेब देव एक देव येयला देव की नाही रावपाना गाडी घेवपाची वचपाचें परत रिटर्न 3 मिनटां म्हणल्यार आमगे टायमार 3 मिनटां म्हणल्यार आमी घेवपाचें आनी बेश्टें घेवपाचें वचपाचें मदीं रावन जाल्यार आपूण चॅनल दिता आनी बरें मेळटा जाल्यार घेवपाचें.
We saw that the shutter was closed, so immediately we broken the locks and opened the shutter, and a lot of smoke was coming out, and then immediately we started a firefighting, and we extinguished the fire immediately with the help of using water, and we found that suspect that the fire started from the freezer which we had seen over there. It can be due to the overheating of compressor and melting of wire and then short circuit.
गोंयच्या लुसोफोनिया गेम्सांचेर भारतीय गंभीरतायेन वावर करचो असो उलो इंडियन ऑलिंपीक असोसिएशनाचो महासचिव राजा रणबीर सिंगान मारला. मात 2013 जावपा आशिल्ल्या ह्या सर्तीच्या मुळाव्या सुविधा वेल्यान असोसिएशनान हुस्को उक्तायला. मुळाव्या सुविधा प्रकल्पाचो वावर सुरू करचे पयलीं 10 खेळां महासंघा कडच्यान मान्यताय घेवची अशें एकोलापान गोंयच्या खेळां प्राधिकरणाक सांगला. IOA, GOA आनी SAGच्या अधिकाऱ्यांची हाचेर दिल्लीन निकतीच बसका जाली.
नोव्हेंबर 2013 लुझोफोनिया गेम्स गोंयांत जावपाच्यो आसात, पूण हाचेर निमणो निर्णय एकोलोप समिती फुडल्या म्हयन्यांत घेतली. इतल्या मजगतीं ह्यो गेम्स गोंयांत जातल्योच हे हेतान SAGचे अधिकारी एलिव्हिस गोम्स आनी हेरांनी दिल्ली वचून आयोग कडल्यान समर्थन मेळयलें.
And the technical aspect will be handled by the national federation, and so we have to make it a success. Only thing that's worrying me is about your infrastructure, because I think the Portuguese Olympic Committee has sent a letter in the name of the President, and they're all worried that would your infrastructure be ready on time. So you must make sure that you are ready on time, and don't try and make it too elaborate so that you are not ready. So whatever is possible, idea is to go ahead with the games and make it a success. And with your hospitality and the way Goa presents everything, and how well you've done everywhere, and the festivals and everything, so I'm sure it will be a great success, and I'd like to wish you all the best. But the games will depend on how the national federations conduct it, and with the support of the Olympic Committee in Goa as well as the government of Goa.
That meeting was convened under the aegis of IOA, wherein all the 10 federations were invited, and these are the federations of which the disciplines, the Lusofonia games there'll be competitions on that. Akolop had insisted that we hold this meeting before we go for infrastructure development, and we are in the process of tendering these days. So we wanted to take the inputs from them and show them the concept plan which we have made for development of the infrastructure. We have noted whatever suggestions they have given, which will be incorporated in the tender document. Besides that, as far as the organization is concerned, that also was discussed, and providing the officials at the right time, and the conduct of the games. And shortly, when the game secretariat is established, we will be taking representatives from each of these federations in that.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.